Hey guys, welcome back to Chris Zubison channel. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, like the video, and also share it. To my old subscribers, thanks for coming back again to watch my videos. In this tutorial video, I want to show us how to add AGX to your Trust wallet. Trust wallet has been updated. Everything looks new and different somehow. So to add AGX, click on this very icon at the top right corner, okay, and click on the plus sign. Click on this plus sign. Change network to Ethereum. From Ethereum to BNB Smart Chain. All right, then paste your AGX contract address. This is it. All right, then you click on save. It will appear. Okay, it's as simple as that. Let me delete it again and do it afresh. Watch now. Network, BNB. Click on save. It has come back. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I will drop the contract address of AGX in the description of this video. Thank you.